Hello everyone, welcome back. As we get some basic information about installation and configuration of OpenCV in Python in one of my previous video, here we are moving forward to hands-on some basic functionality of OpenCV Python module. Let's begin it. Here we are going to learn about loading an image from directory in OpenCV Python, display loaded image into window, and save loaded image to local storage pack. So let's start with loading image from our directory. cv2.imread function is available in OpenCV Python package to read an image into program. The image should be in working directory if you are going to give image name directly, or else full path of an image should be given into the first parameter of imread function. The second argument is a flag which specifies the way image should be read. There are three options to pass here. The first one is cv2.imread underscore color. All should be in capital letter because this is a constant in Python. Or similarly, you can pass one instead of this imread underscore color. The second one is cv2.imread underscore grayscale. Or similarly, you can pass 0 as equal. The third one is cv2.imread underscore unchanged or -1 as equal. The first parameter imread underscore color going to read directory image into BGR format. The second parameter imread underscore grayscale going to read directory image into grayscale format. The third parameter imread underscore unchanged going to read directory image into RGB format. We will learn in depth about all these color species in one of my upcoming video of these OpenCV Python series. For now, let's go to load an image from directory to variable. First thing is to import OpenCV package into current program file. So whoever wrote this package has named export module as cv2. That's why we need to import it by its exported name cv2. OpenCV is loaded into current program file. Now we can call its any function by dot operator using OOP concept as in C++. We need to use imread function and have to give full path of an image including image name and channel type as second parameter, and we will assign read image into a variable name image. One thing notable here is even if you give wrong path and it doesn't find image there, program will not give any error. It simply pass none to assigned variable. So I'm going to find full path of image, the image name and its type. Here I'm going to paste the path of image, the image name. We'll copy the image name from here, and image type is PNG. So dot PNG. Now the channel type is v2 dot imread underscore unchanged. Now assign it to the img variable. Okay, now it's clearly visible. Now at last we print content of variable image to the console. So we are going to run it by F5 key in Windows and function and F5 in Mac. So it is a Python file. So I select Python. It started here. Here is the console. Okay. So here is the output. As I told you in getting started video of this OpenCV Python series, OpenCV deals with an image using NumPy format as shown here in console. Now let's learn about how to show loaded image into window. cv2.imshow function used to show an image into window. First parameter is of window name and second parameter is file variable that we loaded our image into. Created window automatically fits to the image size. Now if you run the code, then you probably not see any window cause it's shown and close itself in fractions of milliseconds. So to make it open till we press any key from keyboard, there is one function cv2.waitKey to be used. It is a keyboard binding function. Its argument is time in milliseconds. Here 0 stands for indefinitely time bound. Now if you run the code, you will see an image into window, but window size will be as of image size. Let's do it. Coming back to our coding screen, we can use v2's imshow function to display image. First argument is window name. The second one is the variable name into which we have stored the image. So variable name is image and I'm passing it as second parameter. Now if you run the code, let's try it. You will not see any image. It's shown but it has closed itself within fractions of milliseconds. So as I said, to make it happen, to wait for a keyboard or key press event, we need to use wait key function of OpenCV and we need to pass 0 to wait it for indefined time. Let's run it. Here is the open image. Okay, here you can see the window name is my image. So if image size is greater than your screen size, then there will be a mess. So to make image resizable, there is one argument need to be passed when creating a window using named window function as cv2 dot window underscore normal. Let's do it. Close it. So clear this one. We are going to create the window by naming a window. Name window my image. Second parameter is cv2 dot window underscore normal. Now cv2 dot imshow my image cv2 dot wait key. Similarly, now we will going to check whether the window is resizable or not. So I'm going to just refresh. Okay, so cv2 has no attribute window. Okay, I misspelled it here. Okay, need to be like window underscore normal. Okay, now I'm going to rerun it. Here it is. So you can see the window is resizable now. If the image is bigger, you can resize the window easily. You can make it big, you can make it small. Now let's learn how to store loaded image back to the directory. cv2.imWrite function used to store loaded image to directory. First argument is name which you want to store an image as. The second argument is image variable itself. Let's have a hands on it. Okay, so here we are going to use the function imWrite to store the loaded image into local directory. So the first parameter is the full path of a directory. So I'm going to temporarily store it in desktop. Okay, now I want it as name test.png and the image itself. Now I'm going to write print done storing. Okay, so I'm going to run it using Python. Okay, so here we wrote wait key. So we have to press some key here for this event. Once it's done, here we can see done storing. So we can go to the desktop and check whether any image. Okay, test.png. I found the test.png here. So our task has been done. It has stored our image. Now let's sum up all the things in one program. So here is a full program. The first line I wrote here is to importing the numpy. The second line is importing of cv2. The fourth line is to read an image as grayscale from the given path. The fifth line is for showing the image into a window. Here, the sixth line is for cv2.waitKey that waits for a key event in undefined time. Now I wrote if condition for pressing escape key from a user to exit, or if user press as on keyboard, then I'm going to save that image and to desktop as name demo test.png. Now let's run this code and find whether it's working as expected or not. Okay, so it has open image in grayscale. I press escape button, then it's going without storing the image. And I press S button, so I'm going to press S button and I'm going to check whether this demo test or image is there or not. Yes, demo test image is here. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Press like button and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to get notified about all upcoming videos.